I walk this road where shadows linger. The silence wraps around my fingers. Empty rooms, they hum and sigh, whispering truths I can't deny. The stars don't shine as bright tonight. The moon won't lend its gentle light. I reach for hands they used to hold, but find the air is cruel and cold. The sound of a love fills the air, calling out when no one's there. A fragile heart, a quiet plea, lost in the depths of what used to be. The sound of alone, it's all I know. Fading voices that won't let go. Memories play like old time songs. I hum along though the tune feels wrong. The ticking clock, it mocks my pain. Each second falls like drops of rain. The shadows stretch, the night won't mend. A battle fought without a friend. I speak to walls, they don't reply. Just hear the sound of my goodbye. The sound of alone fills the air, calling out when no one's there. A fragile heart, a quiet plea, lost in the depths